Okay, guys, I think the audio is clear. I think everything is working fine. Let me just check. Give me a moment. Uh, give me a moment. Yep, I think it's good. Yeah, let's start. Let's get in right away. Okay, I'm not gonna waste time today. Let's do a protective. Let's be a bit protective. Okay. Yep. Okay. Um, this was yeah. This we don't need. Arrays part 4. Part 3 a majority elements. This is what we are doing. I'll start with this. So we completed n by 2, which should be. Did we complete though? Yeah, solved. So yeah, what? Greater than by 2, we completed now. What? Why is it not there? Oh, login. My bad. Right, let's see what's happening. Yeah. We have solved it. We have solved it. Yeah. So, n by 3, we solve it. We have solved this also. Okay, grid unique paths. Okay, let's see the question. Okay. Yeah. So there is a robot in M cross N grid. The robot is initially located at the top left corner, grid 0 by 0. The robot tries to move to the bottom right corner, grid M minus 1 and root of M minus 1 and minus 1. The robot can only move either down or right at one point at a time in time. Given the two integers M and N, written the number of possible unique paths that the robot can take to reach the bottom right corner. The test cases are generated so that the answer will be lesser than or equal to 2 into 10 to the power 9. Just a minute. Hello?
Hi everyone, this is Trevor here. Today we are going to solve the problem Grade Unique Paths from the SDE sheet. Now this is a famous Google interview question which has been asked in Google a lot of times. So the problem states that you'll be given an n cross m matrix and you'll have a starting point as well as the finishing point. And you have to figure out what are the number of ways in which you can move from starting to the end point. So you can only traverse in the rightward and the downward direction. So if I take this example of a 2 cross 3 matrix, we can see that the starting point is over here as well as the ending point is over here. So initially we start over here. One of the paths can be move right, then again move right, then again move down. So this can be one of the paths, while the other path can be move right, then move down, then move right. While the other path can be move down, move right, and move right. So the total number of unique paths from start to end is actually 3. And that is what the problem tells us to find out. So if you are in an interview, the first solution that you're going to tell the interviewer will be the brute force solution. And the brute force solution is actually recursive in nature. That is, you're going to try out all the possible paths from the start to end and you can return the number of ways. So if you are in an interview, the first approach that you're going to tell the interviewer will be the brute force solution that will use recursion to find out the total number of unique paths. Now you know that the problem states that you can only move in the rightward direction and the bottom direction. So in recursion, we actually try out all possible combinations. So at first, we can say that we are at 0, 0 index. So if we are at 0, 0 index, we can move towards the bottom as well as towards the right. Now, if we move towards the bottom, we are going to reach here from 0, 0. That is going to give us the coordinate 1, comma 0. Now, if we move towards the right, the coordinates will be 0, comma 1. Now, we know that in recursion, the left part of the recursive tree gets executed at first. So from 1, comma 0, where are you going to move? You're going to move towards the bottom at first. That will give you 2, comma 0. And you can also move towards the right. That will give you 1, comma 1. Now at 2, comma 0, you cannot move anywhere because this is out of your boundary. Now, whenever you reach outside the matrix, you can say that there is no possible paths beyond. And since you're counting the number of ways, let's return a 0 from here. Now you're at 1, comma 1. One of the possibilities is to move downwards. That is 2, comma 1. That is from 1, comma 1, you move towards the down. And one of the other possibilities is to move rightwards. Now at 1, comma 1, if you move rightwards, you're going to reach here. So if you reach there, that's going to be 1, comma 2. Now whenever you reach 2, comma 1, that's again out of the matrix and you can never reach the finishing index. So I can say that it will never be in my path. So I'll return 1. Now 1, comma 2 is our end point. So whenever we reach our end point, I can say that this is one of my paths. So I will return 1 from here. So from the left side, you got 0 and from the right side, you got 1. So you got a total of 1 from 1, comma 1. Now from the left side, you again got 0 and from the right side, you again got 1. So you got a total of 1. So I can say that at first I can move bottom, then towards the right and then towards the right again. That will give me one of the paths. So this recursive path can be said as this one. Now let's figure out the right subtree. So at the right subtree, you are at 0, comma 1. So you can either move to 1, comma 1 or you can either move to 0, comma 2. That is the bottom or the right. Now from 1, comma 1, you can again either move to 2, comma 1 or 2, 1. The 0, going to 1 paths is we are going to find them to 3. But index, you write it as I, comma j and just think one level down. And if you're able to think one level down, you'll be able to solve the problem. So you're moving towards the bottom. I can say it as I plus 1, comma j because bottom means the bottom right, that is from plus 1. What is the for sure your j value gets exceeded by n. So I can call this as one of the base cases when I will be returning 0. So this is the portion where you will be returning 0. And what is the other case? Whenever you reach the end point. So I can say that whenever you reach I equal to n minus 1 and j equal to m minus 1, I can say that I have reached the end point. How are you, which will give you this? So initially, To understand this is how you create the 0 comma 0, and you'll pass the parameters as n and m. So you know the two base cases that you figured out. One is whenever you reach the index, that is the moment you're going to return 1. So you simply return 1. And the other is whenever they run out of the matrix, that means you can never reach the point and it will never give you a path. So you're going to return a 0. While the transitions are, you either move to the bottom or you either move to the right. And the total number of paths from the bottom from the right will be the addition of both the transitions. That is what you're going to return as the value of this recursive function. So this is how you write the recursion. Now, if I talk about the time complexity of this recursive solution, it is going to be exponential in nature because you are going to try out all possible combinations. And the space complexity for this will again be exponential because you are going to use stack space in recursion. So obviously the interviewer will not be happy with this exponential solution and he will ask you to improve this exponential solution. Now you've written a recursive solution. Only thing that you need to do is you need to convert this recursive solution into a dynamic programming solution. And if you're able to do it, the complexity will drastically reduce from exponential to something quadratic. Now let's understand how do you convert a recursive code to a dynamic programming solution. So you understood the entire transition. Now, something to observe is you can see the states as 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So I can say that there are states, there are two states. So the two states can be called as I comma j. So at max, I know the value of I can be n, and at max, the value of j can be m. So the total number of states, if I talk about total number of combination of states, will it be n cross m? Yes, it will be. So this is where dynamic programming solution comes in. Now what you do is you create a hash table of n cross m. So once you have created this DP hash table, initialize everything as -1. Now let's figure out where did you make the recursive function calls. One is here, the other is here, the other is here, the other is here, while the other is not here because this is the base case where it stops. The other is here, while the other is here. This is the other is made the initialize f cross m. So once you have created this deep, it defines that it should be drastically reduce from exponential to something quadratic. Now let's understand how do you convert into recursive solution. I mean, something to of 1, 1. So I can see the states as 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So I can say that there are states, there are two states. So the two states can be called as I comma j. So of j can be m. So the total number of states, if I talk about total number of combinations across m. So once you have created this DP hash table, initialize everything as -1. Now let's figure out where did you make the recursive function calls. One is here, the other is here, the other is here, the other is here, while the other is not here because this is the base case where it stops. The other is here, while the other is here. These are the states from where you made recursion calls for bottom and right. Now over here, we can see that 1 comma 1 got a value as 1 because from the left it got 0 and from the right it got 1. So I can say that 1 cross 1 is a state, and what I'll do is I will store 1 over here. So that means I have already visited this state 1 comma 1 and I know what is going to be my answer, that is 1. So we store it. Now at 1 comma 0 I again see 1. So at 1 comma 0 again store 1. So you have done. Now at at the right, whenever you visit this 1 comma 1, now ask yourself, do you need to make this recursive calls? No, you don't need to, because you see the state is 1 comma 1 and the value is stored as 1. It's not minus 1. So what dynamic programming is, you can see that you already figured that answer out somewhere else and the answer you got is 1. So instead of calling the recursive functions for the bottom and the right, what you can do is you can use the stored value. This is what dynamic programming is, repeating the past without actually computing it. So you directly return 1 without actually calling this function. So at the next step, you see 0 comma 2, which will be 1 again. So you can store this as 1. After this 0 comma 1, we'll get the total value as 1 plus 1, that is 2. So it will again store as 2. So in this way, you will get the value 0 comma 0 as 3. So we can see that there were total 2 recursive calls which are avoided. Now the value of n cross m was very small. Now had n and m been large, we can see that there are multiple sub-overlapping problems. Now this is what we call as sub-overlapping problems. That is, you encounter the same state in some other part of the recursion tree and you don't call the recursion for that. Instead, you use the value stored in the dynamic programming hash table. So how do you convert your recursive code into the dynamic programming code? For that, you need to carry one hash table of vector, because in interviews, you cannot use global variables. So it's better to use variables with their address. So I just take a hash table of vectors. After that, I write everything as same. The only difference I do is whenever I am calling both these states or both the transitions, whatever answer they are returning, I am storing it into the hash table, that is the DP table, before returning it. So I've stored it into the DP table. Now, if at some time the similar state again appears, I simply check if that is not minus 1. If it is not, I know that I already have computed that value. So I will return that value. So the only change that you need to make to convert a recursive code to a dynamic programming code is whenever you return the answers, you store it into the DP of ij, and whenever a new recursion call is made, you simply check if that state was previously visited or not. And if you are able to write these 2 lines, a recursive code easily gets converted to a dynamic programming code. Now, what is the time complexity of this solution? Now, at max, I know there can be a total of n cross m states. So I can say that apart from n cross m states, there will be no further recursive calls. Even if there is, my hash table will return the answer. And the space complexity will be this hash table, that's bgo of n cross m, and a recursive space of bgo of n cross m. So I can approximate it to bgo of n cross m. So this is the space and time complexity of this dynamic programming solution. Now, since this is a Google interview question, this is not the most optimal solution. And after you have given this entire dynamic programming solution, the interviewer will be happy and he will give you some more time to optimize it. Now, so the optimal solution will actually be using combination. Now let's write down all the unique paths that we got. One of the unique paths was this way, and this way. So I can say one right, another right, one down, while the other unique path was down, right, right. So let's write it. Down, right, right. While the other unique path was right, down, right. So again, let's write it. So you can find a similarity when you write down these paths. The similarity is that you always take 3 steps to reach from the start to the end. So that is the first observation, that you're taking 3 steps. Now let's come to the next observation. Now, how can you get this 3? So we know one thing, since you're moving from start to end, we have to take certain number of right directions. Otherwise, we will not be able to reach towards the end. And you have to take certain number of downward directions. Otherwise, you'll not be able to reach the end again. So what you can figure out is, from these examples, if there are 3 columns, the number of rightward directions that you take will always be 3 minus 1, that's 2. And the number of bottom direction that you're going to take will always be the number of rows minus 1, that will give you 1. That is one of the other observations that you made. So I can say that the total number of directions that I am gonna take will be m minus 1 in right and n minus 1 in the bottom. So the total number of directions will be m plus n minus 2 in total that I need to take. So these are the total directions I need to take. So over here, I have figured out that I require 2 plus 3 minus 2. That actually gives you 3. So we have figured out a way for observation 1. Now what about the observation 2? Now for observation 2, I can say that since these are three boxes that I need to fill if you talk about combinations. So out of these three directions, if I am able to choose my two rightward directions, or if I'm able to choose my one bottom direction, then I can figure out the total number of paths. Like if I choose the bottom one over here, then the right one will obviously be here and here because you don't have any other place to put it. Now, if you choose the bottom here, the right word will obviously be here again. Again, if you choose the bottom here, the right one will again be here. So you get the exact three unique paths that we wrote. Now again, if you take the other way, like choosing two right paths, so you can fill in two rights over here. So the bottom will automatically go over here. You can again fill two rights over here. So the bottom will again go here. You can again fill two rights over here. So the bottom will again go here. So I can say that this will also give three unique paths. So what I can figure out is I have a total of m plus n minus 2 directions that I need to choose. Among that, if I am able to place in either of m minus 1 right paths, or if I'm able to place n minus 1 bottom paths, any of them will actually give my answer. Again, that gives, because 3C2 will actually give 3 as the answer. 3C1 will also give me 3 as the answer. So it actually turned out to be a combinatorics problem. And to find NCR, I've already discussed the shortcut in the Pascal triangle video, but I'll do it again over here. It's super simple. If you're finding 10C3, what you do is you write 3 cross 2 cross 1, and you write from 8 cross 9 cross 10. That is basically from 3. Total number of elements is 3 on the bottom. So you write the last 3 elements from 10 backwards. So that's 8 cross 9 cross 10. That is what you're going to write. So the time complexity will be either big O of m minus 1 or big O of n minus 1, depending on the formula 1 or formula 2 you use, because we are only taking the elements on the bottom. That's basically a for loop for the bottom, and the space complexity will be big O of 1. So now let's discuss the C++ as well as the Java solution. So now let's discuss the Java solution. Initially, we know the formula is n plus m minus 2 C of m minus 1 or n plus m minus 2 C of n minus 1. So what we do is we compute n and r for the NCR. After that, we take result as 1, and then we run a for loop till NCR. After that, we take result as 1, and then we run a for loop till R for the denominators. That is, if it is 10C3, it's going to be 3 cross 2 cross 1. So that is going on the division. But what about the numerator? For the numerator part, what I can say is it was 8 cross 9 cross 10 in the numerator for 10C3. So n minus r plus I, that's 10 minus 3, 7 plus 1 for the first time, 10 minus 3 plus 2, 9 for the second time, 10 minus 3 plus 3, 10 for the third time. This is how you do it. So once you have done it, you can return the result as your number of unique paths. So now let's discuss the C++ solution. So the formula that we got was n plus m minus 2 C of n minus 1 or n plus m minus 2 C of m minus 1. So what you do is for that NCR, you compute n and r. After that, you initialize result as 1. Once you are done with that, you iterate for r, because whenever you're finding 10C3, what we wrote was 8 cross 9 cross 10 divided by 1 cross 2 cross 3. So the denominator is very simple, 1 cross 2 cross 3 for I. So what about the numerator? So the numerator for the first time will be 10 minus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. For the next time, it's going to be 10 minus 3 plus 2, that gives you 9. Then again, it'll give you 10. So on, you can do it. And once you have done it, you can return the result as your answer. So I hope you have understood all the three solutions. So if you
Oh, sorry, sorry. I had it in mute, my bad. Okay, so let's just return this. Pretty sure this is not the right syntax because I have here. I should also have this array list. Yeah, I don't know if this is right. Let me just check it once. 1 minute. One moment. Oh, okay, okay. I found. Wouldn't it to be better to keep the cam in the bottom? I can't see. Oh shit. Oh, sorry, sorry, dude. Really sorry. Is this good? I didn't even know that. My bad. I didn't even know that. Sorry. I could also keep it on the right if you want. Just let me know if it's right. Yeah. Okay. So if uh I reaches the final point, let's handle that also. So if I is equal to m minus 1 and j equal to n minus 1, then we just return 1. This should be right. Let me just check. Syntactical and logical errors. Okay. Oh, yeah, dude. I and j, and here also I and j. Okay, that's all I know because my only problem is the array list part, the declaring part. Else, else is good. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So here, what's happening? Um, Good. I guess right would be better. Okay. Yeah. I think this is good. So what they're doing here is they're creating a matrix with minus one. Yeah, this is better actually. Mm-hmm. They're creating yeah, this is the syntax. So array list of integer. Ah, okay. Yeah. So after they created this matrix, now what they're doing, they're initializing the values as minus one. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's just remove this part created over here, which is array list of integer. Let's say this dp is equal to new array list. Okay, so we created the matrix, empty matrix, and now we have to loop it. I didn't start dp, dude. I'm doing this is recursion, but dp is the optimal solution, so I'm doing DP. So instead of recursing through every possible way, we can use uh, what to say, a matrix in between to store the values of the already executed cases, and then we just call it when we need it. So that's what I'm doing. I didn't go. I think I didn't dive into DP fully. Let's see. So for int I is equal to 0, I, so then m I plus plus. So do you have two for loops? Yeah, you need two for loops. Okay. So in this matrix we are creating. Sorry. In this now this is a single. Start giving contest, bro. Yeah, you gotta tell me what to do. So j lesser than n, j plus plus. There is no right time to start. Okay, but but do you think I'm good enough to start TP? I mean, sorry, contest. I don't feel very confident, dude. That's the problem I have. Yeah, I've created a new row. Why Java? Because Java is being used. That's what I'm telling you. You don't have to be good enough to start. Ah, okay, got it, man. Okay. I'll start. Just give me some links. Okay, I'll try to participate and stuff. And for the question, why Java? Because I'm not a Java main, but I've recently started doing Java because a lot of companies are asking Java for the development part, and learning Java would be much more, you know, good in the long run, right? That's why I'm learning Java. I know Python and C++ also, but I'm doing Java because I want to learn Java. What's your favorite language? Code Chef, you can start giving. What should I choose? Like competitive programming or data structures and algorithms? What should I start? I think I'll go DSA then. What's my favorite language? I really don't know, dude. Okay, what should I do now? Uh, there's like nothing in the screen, dude. Oh yeah, compete. Okay, this one. 30 questions, programming problems, MCQs. Odd temple. Okay. So I can just directly start or what? No? Okay, I'm not starting. I'm not starting. This one, contests, weekend dev challenge. These ones. This one. Oh, upcoming contest. Yeah. This one. Duration 2 hours. Starts in. Okay. I should I register or something? Okay. Okay. Obfuscate. I mean, forgery. What is obfuscate? Uh, okay, got it. There is no need to register. Okay, okay, got it, got it. Oh, we can use generative AI. Oh, we can use AI, but not to solve the problem, but to use a smaller function which we already know, but we don't know how to implement the code. That we can use, but we can't use AI for the entire problem. Yeah, got it. Okay. Laddus. What? What is this? Residents of following countries and territories are not eligible for win prizes, laddus, goodies, or earn any compensation due to legal restrictions. Oh, Pakistan. Previous contest and try. Division 4 problems, you mean? I don't know what that means, dude. 3 to 4 problems, C. Oh, this one. Yeah, got it. This one. Okay. Open previous contest. Start as 194, 195. And the ratings are this one. Okay, okay. So this is our rating. So based on our rating, we choose what division to take. So division one. So division four is the highest. What? Less than or equal to 4,000. Okay, 2,000. Sorry, 1,300, 400. So this is greater than 400. Lesser than. Okay, fine. Division four is the lowest, bro. But here, oh, the rating. Oh, it's not like a rank. Okay, it's the. Okay, got it, got it. Fine, got it. I thought it was like a rank. My bad, my bad. I thought no, 1,400 rank, and the rank will be going negative, right? My bad. Sorry. Okay, okay, okay. I'll do this. So it's like uh, okay. Oh, open and try. Open and try. 3 to 4 problems. They are fun. Oh, we can do this now also. Oh, that's nice, dude. What is this code? What is this? I'll do. Okay. Hmm. Let me try to do this then. Cook your dish here. Try marble collector. Okay. Okay. Let me try. Marble collector. There are total of m possible types of marble that you want to collect. They are numbered 1 to m. They you have currently n marbles with you, with types a1, a2, an. Uh, number that you want to collect. Okay, note that you may have the same type of marble twice or more. You may have. Okay. Find the number of types of marble that you still have not collected. What? Okay. The first line of input will contain a single integer t, denoting the number of test cases. Each test case consists of multiple lines of input. I can code with Python, C++, and Java, and JavaScript, and somewhat C. Yeah, I think that's it. Not a much with other languages. Each test case consists of multiple lines of input. The first line of each test case contains n and m, the number of marbles you have, and the total possible type of marbles. Oh, and the total possible types of marbles. Okay. The second line contains n integers a1, a2. Okay. Even this is the input. Okay, dude. I'm trying to understand the question itself. That is hard. Okay. For each test case, output a new line. New output on the new line. The number of types of marbles you have not collected yet. After this question, can you make a computer versus player game, dude? I'm not that good. I'm a learner. I'm a beginner. I just started learning a DSA. There is I made an app. Do you wanna try? Oh, you're talking to biting Python? Okay. Or talking to me? If you're talking to me, yeah, sure, I can try. I'll try definitely. If you wanna send me the link, I'll try. There is only one type. You have corrected it. Okay, wait, wait. I'm trying to understand the question. I'm still not understanding the question. So there are total of m possible type of marbles that you want to collect. Okay, they are numbered 1 to m. That is totally fine. You currently have n marbles with you with types A1, A2 to AN. Okay, okay. Note that you may have the same type of marble twice or more. So that is types of marbles I have. Okay, find the number of types of marbles you still have not collected. Types, okay. Okay, man. I'm not understanding, dude. Is this like a very. Do you know loops, inputs? Yeah, 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 I know. Dude, I know Python, I know Python very well. Just not very used to Python, but I mean, I'm very used to Python, but it's been a while since I've coded in Python. Generating number of test cases. Each test case consists. How can I share the link on chat? You can just post it on the chat, dude. I think it will work. Try to post it. If it allows, that is okay. If it doesn't allow, I'll tell you something else. It's not allowing. Okay. What's the best way? Um. Yeah, I think I know a way. already there. Okay. So I wanna change the. Yeah, let me know. I forgot to use Google Sheets, dude. There's a way we can mention. Yeah, zoom in. Okay, you have 30 seconds to guess the zoomed in object. You get only 3 hints to zoom out. Okay, your score is based on how quickly you guess correctly. Letters of word will be revealed at 15th and 18th, 15th and 8th second. Okay, single player. What? What is this? Food. What is it? Dosa. Oh, okay. Dude, I think you have a small problem here. Make it a bit more hard. See, this black outer covering is there, right? That's it's not very helpful. What is this? Lip gloss? What is this? Oh, that's a space. Lipstick. Okay. Controller. BULB. Nice, man. This app is really good. I've just made this. Oh, this is really nice, man. Hanger. A hanger. Okay. Basketball. So book. Yeah, you have to make some changes. The first thing is this the black. This see I can actually see the entire object, dude. That is what is this? Burger. It's not a burger. Pav bhaji. What is this? Bun. So what bun? What? Vada pav. Okay. Uh, I don't know, man. I have not eaten. Scissor. What is spelling of scissor? C S I scissor. No. This you are. Say. What is it, dude? I forgot the spelling of scissor, man. Oh my god. S I C S Sai. Okay, size, sir. Okay, dude. This is a really good one. Leaderboard. You mean leaderboard? This is for leaderboard is there for everyone. That's really nice. If it's perfect for everyone. Loading, fetching from the database. Shirshana, Trishana, Sid. Sid is the best as you. Okay. see, you can't see everything. Yeah. Good. That's good, man. That's really good. Let me do it. Dude, enter. See, enter should work. Enter. I shouldn't use my mouse. That's really painful. Uh, what is this? What? Not a car. What? I? Taxi. That's not a taxi, man. No way, that's a taxi. Okay. See, again, I'm getting the same. Uh, yeah, definitely. This is like way too easier, dude. I'm not good at spellings, dude. Trying my level best. Dude, definitely it is engaging, but yeah, I'll tell you. Wait, just a minute. See here. I'm getting the same answers again. So you see, what is this? What is that? What? See, reveal more reveals everything. I don't know what is that. I need help in finding good images and also repetition of the same image. I'll change, and also the enter part, dude. The enter should be working. Spaghetti. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Multiplayer also we can do. Oh, okay. So you what did you use for this? Socket IO. Because my friend. Oh, okay. No, you can instead of having a full reveal, because the full reveal just shows you the image completely. So you just do it a bit more. Open it up a bit more. That'll be much better. You know where this is good? I know exact use case for this. In Discord there's something called activity. I think you might have known. You might know it. Now there are like I'll show you. Wait. For example, if you join a server, there is where is it? Totally forgot it. Mm, yeah, somewhere I think you know it. There is something called activity. Okay. See, he has started an activity, and see there are like small games over here, right? Yeah, WebSockets. Yeah, okay. There are small games like here, right? And this will be very fun with friends. Like who finds it quickly. That will be a really good use case for this project, I would say. That's really good, man. Actually, what? Any bugs did you find? Yeah, that I know. That I know. I didn't do it because I was not good enough. What? Dude, I got the same same image. No, like what? You want me to say her name? I don't know spelling. Oh, that's right. See, I'm getting the image third time that I can drag the image. Oh, okay. Got it, man. Yeah, that that is very simple, dude. I'll tell you what to do. Just change the image you have. This is image source, right? Just change it into background image, and you can't drag background images. Okay, that's what I know personally. You can try to just change the image source like you just keep image and source, no, just change it to background image from like directly from css, and it won't be a problem. Or you can do it in like javascript, whatever you're using, what I think react. If you're using react, it's like pretty easy, I think. What is this api? I tried, but it's giving very random images. Okay, sand glass, what? Okay, what is this? I don't know. Oh, hourglass. Okay. Following the API, I tried, but it's giving very random images. Okay. I get it, man. I get it. So you can actually have a flag for each images if in the database which you're calling. Okay. So if you have called the image, you just have to flag it so that next time it won't be repeated again. So that's something you can do. Just have a small counter in between. So when it actually is already called, just count it so that it won't be called again, and it won't be called again. This is really nice, man. Actually, this is good. I've never done anything like this, so I know full stack, but I've never done anything like this. This is nice. What is the database you're using? MongoDB. Nice. Okay, so see, in this case, if you join the room, yeah, enter room code, enter your name. Yeah, got it. Nice. That's good, dude. That's really good. And keep, there is like a lot of features you can add over here. See that it's very bland, right? It's empty. It is very empty. Space is very empty. So you can add a back, like a back button over here. A lot of things instead of having one zooming button. Zoom. See, the this app name is called zoom in because we zoom in on objects and we find out what object is this. So if you guess this object, we can go to the next one. That's what we do. What is this? Like this. What? Plant type writer. See, and as soon as you submit it, it should be reset. Okay, and if it reset, if this part should always reset. If it reset, then it will be much more easier for typing the next one. See, I'm always, if you notice, I'm always typing it, like clearing it myself, right? This is very so far, not so far. What is this? That's not a chair. Yeah, but see, I'm getting the same image again. I'll make the changes. Yeah, do it, man. This is really nice, man. This is really very nice for your portfolio. Yeah, this game is actually fun. This is really nice. What? What is this? I show speed. Nice man. USB. R. What? R. PLC. I'm getting again. Like I'm definitely have. I know definitely you have like few more pictures, but I'm not getting it because I'm getting the same things again and again. Category like footballers. Yeah, yeah, definitely, dude. That is really good. Yeah, exactly what I thought about. See, some people, like some categories. Yeah. What is this? Flower? No? Rose. What? Momo. Bless you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I didn't even notice that. What is this? What is this? Dude, I don't know. Arcade. Ah. See, just stop this reoccurring images and you'll have a lot of content, like really good content. And you have to, and also you have to stop it. Dude, I forgot the filling. Oh, even I don't have this score. Yeah, 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 dude. Yeah, definitely. But I'll do that. Um, you just change this. Okay, this is like really good. Okay, I'm trying to see where it ends. If I can, find out if something I'm not familiar with. I want to end it somewhere, but I'm guessing everything. Ah, oh, this will not end. No, no. I'm testing myself. Like, what if I do know something and I end it? That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm quite fluent now. Ah, found it. I guess all the images. Are you sure? Because even right now I see. Ah, okay. I already got this now. Okay, I'll stop it then. Any one new image, one, at least one. Ah, new image. See, dude, I'm not good at this game. I've been at it for like at least 3 times, and I know all these things. Oh, okay. So there is no way to like end it, no? Yeah. Then see, if that is the case, you have to make it harder, dude. Like no way this is like hard. It's like anyone can find it. See, I have a friend, okay? He's really good at guessing things without even seeing the image. Like, like we draw it and we find it, right? There is something like that. I think you know it. I think it's called IO. Okay, let's stop it. I'll stop it. What I use that? Paper.io. What is that? You draw it, you know, and let someone else find it what you're drawing. What is that? Yeah, Scribble.io. Yeah, exactly. See, that is a really good game, and we played as friends. Okay, and my friend is really good at guessing. My friend is really good at guessing. The words without, we won't even like come to a conclusion what it is, and he would have found it already. So there are people like that, and this game is like very easy. Maybe if if this is targeted for kids, maybe then this is good. But if it's at least targeting a somewhat a middle-aged person, then it's not enough. You have to maybe you could have like different ages or sections. Does anyone heard of chat box? No, not heard of chat box. What is chat box? This one. Give some recommendation by an improve. Maybe write in Google Sheets. Oh, it's an AI. Dude, you only asked it, no? Yeah, dude. Recommendations. Yeah, I've said you already, right? See, have different categories of maybe ages. Instead of ages, you can have like easy, medium, hard. Okay, and easy, medium, hard. You have like five different levels. People will choose the hardest. Okay, like bigger people. I mean, and a regular middle age, like under 18-year-old people maybe would choose like medium or something easy something, and kids might choose way more uh, easier ones. So you can have that. mm, and already the basic problems you have, right? So just fix those things, and you should have an end option. Like, I don't want to continue the challenge, I want to end it, so I just stop it, end option. And yeah. And also, can you try lead code? Yeah, I was doing lead code, dude. I I got I was doing lead code. Yeah, just a moment ago I was doing lead code. I was just listening to my friend's app. That was really good. I was just giving suggestions for the app. That's it. Okay, and those are the things, dude. Like the basic things. Nothing different. You try to improve it and just show it to me like later, like yes, tomorrow or next week. I'll tell you more changes. End option for the challenge. Dude, what is it? I can't see it. I can't see what you're typing. Should I open my mobile? Yeah, still can't see it. I was just pressing space. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, dude. I'll just continue then. Okay, I'll do the coding. Let me try to understand what this question is. Okay, I seriously didn't understand. Let me ask ChatGPT. Can you explain me the question in detail, but don't give the answer? Instead of circle, should I add actually zoom? Mm. Um, no, no. Like, see, in that case, no, no. See. In that case, there is also one more problem. Sorry, sorry. Thank you. In that case, there is also a problem for instead of actually having a circle around, and if you zoom in the photos, you should have a higher resolution photo. Okay, and the photos should be of higher resolution, means it will take a lot. It will take a bit more time to actually get the image to your website. The API calls will take a bit more time. So it's your call, dude. You can make a higher resolution photo and zoom in the photo, or you can have a circle. Circle was actually good, so it's not. Nothing bad, I would say, but the images should be very good. For the circles, the images should be very good because uh, see, in one image I saw a guitar, which was this was the image. Okay, this was the entire image, and the guitar was on the side, and the zooming was like this, and the guitar was not even visible fully, and that is really hard. So try to optimize what images you're choosing, and yeah, that will be much better, I would say. So you're a marble collector. There are m different types of marble available in the world, and there are uniquely numbered as 1 to m. For example, if m is equal to 5, then the types of marbles are 1 to 5. Okay. You already have n marbles in your collection. Each of your n marbles is one of the m types. Okay, and this is given to you as a list of n integers. And because you might have duplicates in your collection, you could have multiple marbles of the same type. Okay. The goal is figure out how many types of marbles you don't have in your collection yet. I understood now. It's very clear. Um, let's me close this. Close this. Let it be there. Let it be there. Close this. Close this. Okay. So here, what is the input format? The first line of input will contain a single integer t, denoting the number of test cases. Okay. So we have to loop through the test case. Okay. Each test case consists of multiple lines of input. Okay. Multiple lines of input or multiple space. Okay. What? Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, got it, got it. Okay. The first line of each test case contains n and m, mm, the number of marbles you have, and the total possible types of marbles. Number of marbles I have, and the total type. Okay, I have three. Okay, in first sample input, I have three different types of marbles, and three different type of marbles, and also I have three marbles. So which basically means one of each type. Okay. The second line contains n integers, a a1 a2 to an. Okay, so it's 1 1 and 2. What what do you mean 1 1 and 2? Okay, what? 3 3 is n and m, and below that is an array of n size. Oh, 3 3 or n and, oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. So I have everything, no, in first case. So n is the number of marbles I have, and m is the number of possible types of marbles that I want to collect. And 3, dude, am I getting it right? If n is 3, okay, then that is the number of marbles I have. And if m is 3, and that is the total possible type of marbles I want to collect, right? So you only have 1 and 2, right? Oh, I have three marbles, and the three marbles of in three marbles I have a type one, type one, and type two. There are like three marbles, and I have one duplicate. Okay, okay, one has duplicate, but I don't have the type three marble. Okay, okay, okay. And in the second case, I have only one marble. I have only one marble, and that is the type of that is of type 42, and I need 100 more marbles. It seems like, and I have only one type, so that means I need 99 types of marbles. Okay. And in the last case, I have three, all are ones, but the one I want is also one, but I already have it, so we don't. Okay, got, dude. Just now I understood the question itself, dude. I think I'm cooked. Like this, cooked, cooked. Okay, this is Python, right? I'll change it to Java. Okay. Oh, I don't know how to take input of. Okay, wait. How to store this input in Java. This is the sample input, by the way. The first line is the number of test cases, and the other two consecutive rows are n m types. This question is hard. No, it's not hard, dude. The question, to understand the question was only hard. SC dot, okay, scanner. Yeah, this is easy. Okay, next int. Okay, this is the. I think this is the problem. This is one. This is the one. Okay, I'll do it. Input. Wait, am I doing it right? In is small. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, a scanner. SC. Dude, why? Why do you do this, guys? I'm not used to getting bless you. Okay, so it's pretty. So int, we'll say test case as t is equal to, we'll say sc dot next int. So next int is I capital, right? Yeah, I capital. So we got the test case, number of test cases, and we have to loop for everything. So we have to loop t times. So for int I is equal to 0, I lesser than t times I plus plus, and each time we loop, we have to save uh, consecutive two rows. So that's what you have to remember. So for the two rows, what we'll do, uh, first we'll take, mm, So if it's two times, then should we do? I think we have to do two loops, no? Okay, we don't have to. Maybe we don't have to do two loops. Hello, senpai. And int will say n into m, right? So we have n within our hands. Yeah, n in our hands. So which will be like n is equal to sc dot next int, and int m is equal to sc dot next int, which is the one we want. So we got both of the inputs n and m, and now we have to create an array which is of int. only one Only one task is given at a time. Oh no, I don't think so, man. I'm learning coding. Oh, nice, dude. I don't think so. Here yeah, they're saying three, no? So it means like three times they'll give the same input, no? You're doing right. Okay, I'll try to do it. Let me complete this. So int this is what was the marbles? Let's say marbles. I shouldn't see the answer. Yeah, I know, but I'll try not to. It's equal to new int of, is it empty array? No. So okay, n is what we have. Okay, got it. Got it. So we have n marbles. So now we are again creating a loop of j. Let's say int j is equal to 0, j less than j less than n. Again j is less than n. J plus plus j plus plus. Now we will store each of the type inside the array. Okay. So let's say marbles. Oh my god, Java. How do I add it? How do I push it into the array? Should I do, okay, let's say marbles of j is equal to sc dot next int. So now we got the um so this line inside the marbles array. So we got it in. We got this loop also for the test case. So once we got it in, now what do? We actually run the process of checking. Okay, yeah, now we'll start. So processing input. So this is what, let's say this is processing input. Now I'll say here uh, main logic. I find CSS a bit hard. What should I do? Dude, CSS. What do you mean CSS? Like the web development part? You find web development CSS hard? Man, CSS is not hard, dude. CSS is not at all hard. I think what you're not doing right is not trying to understand the basics of CSS. Try not to look at hard bigger CSS queries, and not queries. What is it? Code. Instead of looking at bigger, harder codes, just look at smaller, easier codes. Don't look at media queries. Don't look at, like, at linear gradients, radial gradients. No, don't do that. Just go in a very simple, slow pace. Okay, take your time and do what you can do best. Don't just jump into bigger problems. CSS is not hard, dude. Trust me, it's not hard. If you say CSS is hard, you didn't even touch what what harder things you could actually do. So the main logic, let's say 3 3 1 1 2. Okay, so now we'll see if let me reiterate the question once. So n is the number of marbles we have, and m is the number of marbles we want to collect. Okay, so we no n m is the total number of marbles that exist, and n is the ones we have. You are from India? Yes, I'm from India. You're not from India? And m is the total number of marbles, and n is the ones we have, and we have to calculate the number of marbles we need to have from the m marbles. Okay, so I'm from Bangladesh. Oh, that's good, man. That's really nice. Um, you're all like college students, no? No one is actually out of college yet, right? College or school. 100. So the only thing which we don't have is 3. Okay. So the number of marbles is 3. What? Just a minute, guys. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, guys. Just leave this for now. Um, so what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? We just have to check the. So the 3 is the number of marbles, and so should we like count first how many? Uh, I think what I would do is I would take this array. I would have a count of each element of what do we have, and if we take the if we take each element and we count how many we have, so we will have the unique elements, right? So from the unique elements we need to have the remaining elements from the m marbles. So that is one way I think I can do. What is the what is the way what is the way which I can account lost? What's happening, guys? Is it my problem or what is happening? No, it's a joke, dude. What is account lost? Account lost is the name of the account or what is that? Sorry if I just scared you. No, no. Who is this? Is this what the? I don't know, man. This I think is I don't know, man. Okay, I'm Minion Kodlama. Okay, hi, dude. No, I thought my streaming. Something happened to my stream. That's nothing much. Hmm. So I know the total size of the array, which is m, which is m, and I would need how many types I would need. Do you code in Ruby? No, no, no. I don't know Ruby. Ruby and Ruby on Rails, no? Yeah, I don't know. But I think Ruby is quite similar to JavaScript, if I'm not mistaken. So I think if I do Ruby, I can get it quite a bit faster. I think Ruby is a scripting language, no? Oh, no, I think Perl is a scripting language. I don't know about Ruby, dude. Yeah, no, Ruby is good. It's similar to Python, I think. Dude, what, like, how do I solve this question? Like, what is this? Let me think. Man, this is like easy question, dude. I can feel this is easy, but the one logic is what I'm missing. Yeah, I know, but I don't wanna check. It should. Do you want me to check? Okay. You want me to check? I I don't know Ruby, dude, so I can't comment on that. Set integers unique types is equal to new hash set, and for int type marbles type marbles unique types dot add type. Yeah, so set. That's what I said. Exactly what I said. So we create a set. We put the sets. Int missing types is equal to m minus unique types dot size. So the size is the set. So what we have. So m. So that's it. Oh my god, dude. So I was almost there. Oh my god. Okay. So we'll create a new set, which is set integer is equal to the name is what is the name? Marbles. What marbles? I will say this is unique types is what you're mentioning here. Okay. Unique types is equal to new hash set. Yeah. हेलो भैया जावा मैं अपना कॉलेज के श्रद्धा मैम से सीख रहा हूँ हेलो भैया जावा मैं अपना कॉलेज के श्रद्धा मैम के सीख रहा oh okay oh अपना college yeah okay that girl that woman will be there no I think I know her अपना college yeah I know yeah dude you can learn from wherever you want that's no problem whoever is comfortable to you and whoever you understand the most with you can go with them that's totally fine okay or So we got the set. Now we have the set, so we have to get the रहेगा फर्स्ट टाइम है कोडिंग का ज़्यादा समझ में नहीं आ रहा है ओके ओके dude it's okay you'll get it soon like take it slow okay and don't rush it but try to be as consistent as possible okay don't stop it in the between don't stop it in the middle try to do it at least an hour a day if you lose consistency it's very hard dude consistency is the key okay I think you've heard it from millions of people but I'm also the one who's saying try to do it every day you can see that I'm not doing it every day that's my that's my issue but I'll try to be consistent as possible okay but try to be consistent okay just that's my advice to you. Why are you typing spaces guys why is that good video what video the apna college one missing types okay so int miss int types is equal to so the m is the number of ones we need to have and we go m minus unique types dot size okay so system oh dude I have to remember this dude Java is like a basic thing of Java and I'm forgetting this मैं अपना communication skills कैसे अच्छा कर सकता हूँ try to talk in English dude like you mean like English right you know I'm not really good at it but I'm I'm doing this streaming I'm doing all this stuff to actually try to improve my streaming like improve my skills actually trying my level best over here so try to do that I play games a lot actually okay so I always talk in games through English so that's one of the thing I would improve you should use the turtle you should use the turtle random and tkinter libraries in Python if you want to code in Python you should use the libraries. You should use the turtle random and tkinter libraries in Python if you want to code in Python you should use the libraries. Yeah, definitely. What is okay dude, thank you. Graphical user interface, okay. Oh, why haven't you got a job yet? You or haven't no I've not gotten a job yet, dude. I'm trying my level best to get a job, but I'm not actually good at the DSA, right? I can't apply to bigger companies because I'm not good at DSA. And also one more thing, I didn't get a lot of placement support from my college, so I'm trying my own outside the college. Dude, I'm applying only, dude. I'm trying my level best. Okay, I'm applying, but I'm not getting it. Screen is good. TK. Oh, I understand. That's some graphic interface, right? Yeah, I saw it. Damn, it's super bright. Till when you are going to try, dude? I'm gonna try it since till I get a job. Like, what do you mean till when I'm gonna try? Of course, I'm gonna try till I get a job. No, your output is 199 and 0. Okay, submit. Let's submit. Dude, correct answer. But of course, I saw ChatGPT, so. like no future. No, no, I'll do future studies. But I'll be doing it after I get a job, because even if I go abroad and study, there's still some problems of getting bad opportunities, right? So I don't want to risk it. So see, we have to pay almost like 50 lakhs or something to go abroad and study. And if I go abroad and study for 50 lakhs and I'm not getting a job there, imagine I come back here without a job, and that's like, oh my god, nightmare, dude. And I'm not from a rich family, so I can't risk it. I can't afford to risk it. So, dude, what do you mean, dude? What do you mean? Which language you used in college hackathons, dude? I'm 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 not a person who did all that stuff. I'm trying to do it from now. I actually did a lot of coding in my college, but not like inside my college. I had a course which I did outside the college, which is Next Wave. Okay, so I used it over there. Yo, what is this TK? What is happening over here? Am I missing something? Dude, Siddharth, should I go for my lead code? Should I stop it? Man, is there any like? Oh no. Yeah. Okay. Let me do lead code then. Rest of the problems are tough. Oh, that problem was actually easy, dude. But I didn't know the logic to approach it. But I almost knew it. The set part. I got it down, but my brain doesn't allow me to do it because I'm not good at it, I think. So yeah. So here, what we are doing, we are creating a matrix of m size, like learn concept from Striver, like the concepts of algorithms. You mean sorting techniques? These ones like this one. But actually applying them, you will learn and contest. Okay, okay. I get it, man. Yeah. Actually, I have something else also. If you wanna see. Oh, okay. I can't open this because my camera is on over here. So I'll show it later. I have and this is my course. So next year is my course which I applied. That's like 1.2 lakhs, which I actually applied, and I'm learning there also. And in there, I also learned the DSA, and there is also a DSA platform over there. So I also learned a lot from there, sorting and all. But yeah, yeah, let's do it. So array list row. So we created a row. We created a row array, and now what do we do? What we're gonna do? We're gonna loop inside the row itself. So the row is of size. We don't declare a size of the row yet. So what we're gonna do is we is a row dot add -1. So we'll say dp dot add row. That they should do. Now what we do, we just have to. Dude, lead code is not hard. Lead code, there is like easy, medium, hard problems also, right? This is medium problem. Like in Striver, you know that this question would be solved using this concept, and you can start coding. But in contest, you first have to think which concept to apply and which. Okay, I get it. I get it, man. Yeah, but I think the more problems you solve, the more you would more you would be there, right? Like the concept solving part, the understanding part. Thank you, man. Bless you. Thank you. I don't know what to reply to bless you. Should I say something? I don't know what is right. What is the thing? What is the right? Bless. Yeah. Thank you. Almost correct. Okay. What's almost correct? Ah. Okay. Good. Fine, man. It's fine. Time limit exceeded. Okay. No, no. Recursion is the brute force approach. So the optimal solution would be this is like recursion plus DP. So what? So this is DP. So what you're doing, instead of calculating all the branches of the recursion tree, we are actually saving. We are storing some of the variables, some of the what to say uh, values of the particular tree, and we are actually accessing it once you reach the particular tree how do I explain this, man? Recursion, no, explaining is very hard. See, there's a tree structure, right, to left and right, and you can get. Ah, okay, okay, yeah. No, no, I'm trying to explain like how it is. So instead of you'll get the same tree structure on the right also, and the clone of the left tree in the right tree also. So instead of actually calculating everything, we are using the value which is already calculated over here, and we are storing it somewhere. And whenever we reach this node of the tree, we use the value and we call the value and return the value directly. Yeah, I think that was somewhat correct. Yeah, I know date, time, random, and math, and time also. I don't know the TK, T inter, and I think I know total also. Yeah, the triangle one, right? So time limit exceeded. Okay. Mm-hmm. I'll just put this very close to perfect. What? Ah, okay. Mm-hmm. So I have to set it somewhere. Okay. Okay, yeah, I know I have to set it somewhere, but where should I set it? Like here, I'm returning the count paths, and where should I set it? Here, here, yeah, here they're sitting here, I think. If there is a new variable, then okay. So dp dot get of I set getting the row, we are setting the jth with result. No? Yeah. Where have you applied now? Um, um, I'm applying through everything, dude, like LinkedIn, uh, Glassdoor, and like Indeed, and and a few more things. Yeah, wait 1 minute. I'll show you something. How do I? Just a minute. I'll show you something. Wait. No, that's the issue, man. Like I'm applying. You see here, jobs board is there. Okay, so this is my course which I have applied, and here they'll. This is not like placement. They'll actually take all these job applications from different websites, and they will directly put it over here. So what I can do is I can like software engineering trainee. Okay, I can go inside this. I can read the job description and stuff. I can go apply now, and it will go to external sites. So this is LinkedIn. So basically, so I can, you know what I can do is like I can just apply apply with resume, and yeah, see, this is what I do. You see, I'll do it later. That's what that's what I'm trying to see. Experience 0 to 2 years. See, I know all this stuff mostly. Which website was that? Don't. This is my course, dude. See, this is CCBB 4.0 Academy. Is there, right? This is something I paid for. This is a course which I paid for, and actually, I've not been active for a while. Like if you can see that, not very consistent, but I was doing it pretty good. Few days, few months back, but I'm not doing it right now because again the problem comes to full stack being not very good nowadays because AI can complete everything in just like 10 minutes to it. Like whatever I do for like hours, for 2 hours, 3 hours, AI can do it in like 10 minutes, like 5 to 10 minutes. And because of that, I'm not getting the motivation to do full stack. I don't know, man. This life is very hard. See here. So I've completed like the static website, which is HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and this is Python programming foundation. 85% is because I didn't complete the exams which I have. See, this is exams which I didn't complete. I could complete it, but I didn't complete it yet. So this is like Python and HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, see, or responsive website, and this is again Python, and this is like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Okay, and this is SQL. I completed SQL, JavaScript, Flexbox, and Git fundamentals, and developer foundations, which is OS operating system and stuff. So this was the binary computer hardware, operating system, process management, threads and concurrency, memory management, all those things which we studied in college, basically. Node.js, I completed. This is 62% is pending because of the assignments and mock test which I didn't do. I have to do it. I have to do it. And React.js is the only thing which is pending. I didn't actually finish it completely. If you see, because whenever I open this, dude, I'm not getting the motivation to do it. Like I'm just stressed out, man. Like it's too hard for full stack developer to get a job nowadays. And this is the data structures and algorithm which I was talking about. See, and this is like normal data structures. It's not advanced. So here STL, C++ STL is there. So I was learning sorting. I didn't complete it. Merge sort, yeah, pending. There is some pending stuff. And if you can like go through it, binary search, advanced recursion, dynamic programming. Yeah, I can do this also. This is like much better than anything I have seen. Like even Strivers is not this. It's not that good compared to this. I mean, but the thing is, I want to do like real world problems. That's why I'm doing lead code and stuff. Because if I have a good good coding solution solving in this uh, website and course, how do I portray it? How do I show it to people that I'm good at it? because for a job, for getting a job, you have to show it to people that you're good at it, right? So for example, if someone asks what's your lead code link, and I show my lead code link to people, and they are like, what is this? You have not done any question. You have like done like maybe 10 questions. Man, that's the thing. That's why I'm trying to do in lead code. If people see my lead code portfolio, they'll think, okay, this guy has done some DSA, so he might know it. He's maybe good at it. That's why I'm doing lead code basically. And I don't have like infinite amount of time to do everything. I just wish. Do you want to? Yeah, do it. Sure, man. Definitely. You feel me, right? You feel what I'm trying to say. It's too hard to. Mhm. Type Siddharth. Okay. uh, what? Just 1 minute, dude. Enough of the bless yous, dude. Damn, dude, you're coding a lot, man. Oh my god. I've been coding from how many days? 2024, and you're coding. Oh my god, 600 questions. It's crazy, man. Crazy. Ah, damn. Okay, dude. Yeah, I'm a beginner. I'll come there. I'll come there soon. I think I'll. I hope to come there. That's nice, man. That's nice. That's really good. Can like follow or something like, you know, nothing like that. Okay, fine. Weekly contest. This is what you're saying, no? Oh, bi-weekly contest. Oh, okay. I'll also do it. I'll try to do it. Is there a easy one? July 27, 5:30. Register. Start practicing. Check divisibility by digit sum and product. Okay. Determine whether n is divisible with a sum following two values. Digit sum of n. Did you make any game of no? Oh, what did you say? List is equal to A, B, C, D. How do you make a list D, C, B, A by just one line of code? What do you mean list is equal to A, B, C, D? You want it to like reverse in Python? Oh, okay, in Python. Yeah, list dot reverse. No, the direct function is there. No, the digit sum of n. Let's see what is this. Determine whether n is divisible by the sum of the following two values. The digit sum of n, the sum of its digits, The digit product of n, the product of its digits. Okay, return true if n is divisible by the sum, otherwise return false. Input 99, output is true, it means 99 is divisible by sum of plus product. Don't say bless you guys, please. Okay, what is this? Check divisibility. So, don't say bless you. I have a sneezing, I have a dust allergy, and even small amount of dust actually. Thank you, dude. Thank you. Let me switch on the lights, bro. 1 minute. Your gaming setup, yeah. I think you should have figured it out by now. Yeah, I do have a gaming setup. Specs. Mm, are you a tech savvy person? If you're a tech savvy person, I'll go into more detail. If you're not, I'll just say the basics. What you would understand. What's my rank in Valorant? Hassan 3. I'm not actually good, man. I have to try. I'm trying for immortal, but I can't do it. I have to be immortal by now, but I guess I'm just not good enough. Good enough. But soon, I think maybe in like 1 week, I'll be in Ascendant. I mean immortal. I'll try to be an immortal. Do you want the specs? Do you want the tech savvy specs or like the basic specs? What do you want? I'll tell you. So yeah, let's say the divisibility. I was immortal, but I left Valorant because of coding. Oh, damn man, that's very nice. That's really good one. That's really, really nice. Left Valorant for coding, but I didn't leave it because that's the only thing I'm good at. So I don't want to leave it. Coding is good, yeah. Coding is good, dude. Convert the number into string. You want me to do this? Dude, I think in Java, this is more easier, dude. In Python, yeah, that is easy. But in Java, I think this is easier. If I have to do that, I have to do a lot of string calculations. You know, string of zero, string of one. Okay, I'll do that. Whatever. I gotta go. Bye, man. Yes, sure, dude. Bye bye. See you. See you later. Take care. I'll convert the string into int, is what you're saying. So I'll just say string um, input is equal to string of. Can we convert it like this? No, it's really pass int. No, I think parse int. I think n dot parse and parse string. What? Why would you hate him, dude? You guys chill out. Nothing personal, man. Oh, what happened between you guys? I didn't even notice. Nothing happened, dude. Why were you mad? So digit sum is equal to um input. Dude, yeah, see this I have to use functions, dude, now. That's the problem. So I have to say input dot input of 0. No, man. Is this easy? I don't think this is easy. I have to put a for loop, no? For int. No, let's not say int each digit input. Yeah. After converting the string to extra number from the character, you can use to char of. Oh, okay. Okay. Digit sum plus equal to even char minus this one. Each digit. This one. Java, dude. Java. Oh, here char. Okay. If you're unsure, print, bro. Okay. Yeah. I changed it. I think this should work now. This should work. So yeah, now each digit input we are taking each digit and we are subtracting from the char of 0 and we'll get the integer, I think, no? Yeah, we'll get the integer and the digit sum has been calculated. And also we have to calculate the product now. So we'll say digit product multiplied by digit product into each digit minus again 0. Yeah, now. Sum of what I put. Since 99 is divisible by the sum 9 plus 9, 18 plus uh, a product of 9 into 9, 81 of the digits. Oh, okay. Did you understand anything of it? Yeah. What do you mean modulus? See, uh, I think I'm overthinking the problem again. Since 99 is divisible by the sum, we got the sum, okay? And we have to, do we have to check the divisibility? I think so. Yes. No. You have to check the divisibility of the from the digit sum. But 18 plus 81, what is it? It's 99. If digit sum modulo n. Yeah, yeah, that I understood, dude. Understood. I have to check the divisibility, but I'm just checking. See here. They gave digit product of n, product of its digits. Okay, okay. Let me just do the first one. What do you say? So if digit sum, no, if if n is divisible by n divided by digit sum equal to 0, and what, that's it, no? What else? We shouldn't return true, bro. What the fuck? No. Mm. Just add and do modulus. If m modulo digit sum plus digit prod. Yeah, yeah, I get it. Okay, so that's what they're meaning here. You have to check the divisibility. Yeah. So we have to check the divisibility for this and this. Okay. See. Okay, the thing I didn't understand is, see here they're saying to check the divisibility for digit sum and digit product. Okay, but here what they're saying is we have to add both, which is 18 plus 81, which is 99. Okay, and then we have to check. That's what I'm not understanding. What I'm not understanding. What is it I'm struggling with? Okay, whatever you say. Okay, I'll try whatever you say first. Let me see if it's working. If n it's written the question, bro. Return true if n is divisible by this sum. Otherwise, return false. I understand, man, but I'm not understanding why. What is this divisible by this sum? Return true if n is divisible by this sum. Divisible by the sum of the following two values. Okay. Man, I'm overcomplicating things, dude. Fuck. Yeah, yeah. See, I'll read the full question again, okay? You're given a positive integer n. Determine whether n is divisible by the sum of the following two values, okay? Sum of the two following values. The sum of the thing, the first of the following is digit sum. So we found the digit sum. And the second of the following is digit product. Okay, we found that also. And return true if n is divisible by the sum, otherwise return false. I totally understood. I totally understood, okay? But here, why is saying 19 is divisible by the sum? What is this? Why is this? Like, it says 99 is divisible by the sum 18. What? Why? Yeah, I understood the question. I'll just do directly from the question. Okay. N is divisible by digit sum plus digit product. Okay. Equal to 0. Turn true. Char array. Oh my god. Input to char array. Dude, this is like really hard things to remember. How would I remember this? Value of what? Um, Man, I got it. Painful, dude. You know what is painful? That I'm actually bad at this. How do I go to the next one? Is there a way to go or not to go to the next one? It's an easy question. This feels very hard, dude. Should I try this or should I just skip it and go to the? Should I skip this and go to the next ones? You know Dijkstra's? No, I don't know. I know the theory of Dijkstra's, but I've not implemented Dijkstra's even once. That's the worst meme I've ever heard. Biting python. Dude, that is true, dude. Course for 5 minutes, debug for 30 minutes is exactly true. This is I don't know DFS, but I know DFS is like basically recursion, no? Like basically DFS is recursion because depth first. So in recursion, it'll always go depth first, and then it'll come back. It'll calculate this, come back, calculate this, come back. Like that only, right? Depth first. Back propagating, yeah, back propagation, back propagation recursion. That's what that is what depth first, right? Am I wrong or am I right? You can try the first problem that I solved recently if you know recursion, and for DFS you can try second problem for my reasons from my reasons. Okay, you can try the first problem that I solved recently. Okay, you mean the network recovery path? This one? Damn. Oh, these ones? Damn, dude, this question looks crazy. You're asking me or Siddharth? If you're asking me, I've been coding for a lot of years, 4 years, but I've not been coding DSA. I've just started DSA. It's been like maybe 3 months, something like that. 3 months, yeah. Dude, should I try this? Should I go for like simpler problems? What do you suggest? Count islands with total values divisible by k. You are given m into n matrix grid and positive integer k. An island is a. If I know DFS, I know DFS in theory, nothing in practical. That's the problem I have. I know everything in theory, but nothing in practical. I have not tried anything in practical. An island is a group of positive integers representing land that are four directionally connected. Okay, horizontally or vertically. The total value of an island is the sum of the values of all cells in the island. Return the number of islands with the total value divisible by k. Yeah, that the last part is not needed. This is not important. This is what important. Okay. I think I somewhat understand uh, this problem because you said DFS. If you have not said DFS, I would have not understood. See, I'll tell you what happens here. So first basic iteration, okay, from basic iteration from the matrix, okay. I'll say the algorithm. I'll try to just say what is happening here. So we'll always start from the matrix 0 0, okay, and we have to we are iterating through the matrix. So first we are taking 0. Yeah, I understood. See, I saw it here. Bi-weekly contest. And you're really good, man. Should have done this way earlier, but fine. Okay, so yeah, I'll try to say what's happening here. Okay, so we are iterating through the matrix from first 0. Now we are checking if the closest elements. Okay, the closest elements would be here. They're saying four directionally connected. So first we are checking the top part, left part, and top part, right part. You know those things. Okay. We're taking 0 comma 0. So 0 comma 0 is 0. So nothing is there. We don't have to check. We skip it. We go to the next one, which is 2. And from this we are checking the top part. top part is not there because it's not in the matrix. Leave it. Right part we have one. We take the right part, and again we are yeah, we are checking the bottom part now. We are checking it. We are seeing there is 5. We are adding it to the island. Okay, we are adding all the parts. We don't check the left because we already checked it. I think so. Okay, so again we are we are counting it and we are keeping it somewhere, I think, and we are iterating again and again. And we, as we already have spotted the 5, we, I think we skip it. I hope. So let's go to the next one, and we spot 5. We check the bottom one because we don't have the right one, and we don't have the left one, and so we don't have the right one, and we already checked the left one and the top one. So 5 alone, we check it, take it again, we put it. So that is what happening, right? So that, tell me if I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, tell me, is it like somewhat there? And in case of one, this second island, this one, we go here, we check on top, nothing is there. We check on right, yeah, 4 is there. Again we check on top, we have 1, and again we check on 7, again we have number. Again we check here, nothing is there. We go back, and we check here, nothing is there. We go back, check here, we got 2. We add everything, and again, yeah, I think that's what happening, I understood the depth first search approach, but I don't get how to solve this problem. Okay, I think that's the way. Man, when would I reach this place, dude? When do I come here? What's your can I check what submission you have done? No, I can get you a referral. If I get good, yeah, I will get good. I'll get good soon. Give me like 1 month, dude. I'll try to do my level best. Right now the problem is I'm very slow at solving problems. Even though I know the problem, even though I can solve the problem, I'm very slow at it. So tap on my problem is, what do you mean? This one? No, I'm asking. I wanted to know. Yeah, I saw it. I wanted to know if here, the first ones. What have you done in the first? That's what I was trying to see. Discuss. Yeah, I understood. If you go to this, you can see the submissions. Yeah, I understood. First, I only focused on easy problems, then I went up. Okay. So should I do that also? Dude, you're already good at this, right? So let me know what I have to do. I'll try to do it instead of going through these ones. Like the SD sheet. I'll go with whatever you say because I think easy problems would be much better for me, as I don't know anything. My suggestion would not be streaming while you slow. Okay, got it. I'll try not to stream. Okay. Oh, I have an idea. Okay, I won't stream for solving. What I'll do, I'll try to solve for like myself. I'll solve like five, 6 questions for the day. I'm planning for 5 questions. Okay, at least a day.
So 5 questions I'm trying to solve a day, and I stream for like yeah, I understood. So yeah, so I'll try to solve 5 questions a day, and I'll stream for like 1 hour or 1 hour, and I'll explain all the 5 questions in detail so that I can get those questions inside my head. What do you say? Yeah, I totally understand. I totally understand. I get it. Don't get distracted. Yeah, I I get it, man. You can make editorial videos also if you want to do that. No, I don't know editing, man. I don't want to spend time on editing. That's why I'm streaming. If I actually do upload videos, that'll be much better. I know that, but I don't want to spend time in editing. Editing, takes a lot of time. I've seen my friends edit, and the basic simple videos also, they take a lot of time to do it, and I don't want to take time on doing that. That's why I'm streaming. Can you show yourself? Dude, it's not that good, man. Like, how do I show it? Like, I can't show it because my camera has a problem. If I move my camera, it'll go. It'll just stop uh, sending output. There is no way I can show you my setup, I think. Mm, what better way? There a better way? Wait, I'll take a I'll take a pic. Hold on. I'll take a pic and I'll show you in my Discord. I think that'll be better. It's not that good, man, because it's been a while since you know I've built my PC, so it won't be as good as you might think. But I'll try to show it. Hold on. Damn, all this, all the random shits are on my desk. Damn dust, man. Oh shit. Two full screen. Okay. Ah, random stuff. I'll just remove it. Okay. I think this should do. It's not. Yeah. It's just very average, man. Okay. I'll show you. It's very average. Okay. Don't expect too much. I don't have like a killer case and all. Just a normal tempered glass, basic black case. I'll show you. Hold on. Discord media and what's the cost of the setup? In during the time of my purchase, it was very costly because of COVID time. Okay, and it was I think it was around. Actually, what I didn't buy the graphic card first. I bought 710. GT 710. I bought that graphic card and everything else. Okay, and after a year, I bought the graphic card which is 3080, which I have currently. Okay, so that costed around I think 2.5 lakhs. I think 2.5. If I include the monitor also, it's around 2.6 because yeah, 2.6. This is good enough. Oh shit, there's a brush over here. Oh my god, you have such an expensive setup. Yeah, dude. I actually wanted to be a gamer, but yeah, it didn't work out, as you can see. It didn't work out not because I couldn't do it. It's because of my family, Indian parents, right? That's the basic things. Yeah, you can see the mouse. Then the mouse is we. I didn't include the mouse and keyboard and mousepad. Okay. No, they didn't agree, dude. The setup was around 1.2 lakhs. The first time I built everything without the graphic card. The graphic card alone was 80,000. You understand? The setup was like 1.2 lakhs. I wanted a laptop, okay, first, but laptop was very expensive with my specifications. So what I did, I thought, okay, let's build a basic setup. See, I didn't buy the monitor. The monitor was like around 17,000 first, okay, and I changed my monitor now. So it's all a gradual process. I just couldn't put every all the money at the same time. So I just gradually I bought everything like slowly, like the uh, storage I bought later on, the keyboard I bought later on, the mousepad I bought later on, the mouse I bought later on. Everything, the base of what I bought was 1.2 lakhs without the graphic card, and after I got the graphic card, it was around 2 lakhs. Okay, and the monitor and mouse alone is 10,000, and the keyboard is like 8,000, and the mousepad is 3,000. So all these small things are there, right? So it's all adding up, and it'll come around 150, which I calculated. You could have gotten around same spec. No, 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 dude, no way. See, you wanna check right now? Like, see, the time which I bought was very bad. Okay, the inflations, the GPU shortage. See here. Oh, it's I think it's not even there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not even there. See here, this is 4060. See, just 4060, you're getting 4060 for 1,30,000, okay? And I got my desktop, which is 3080, okay? See, this is why is it not opening? Hello. Yeah. See, my GPU is 3080. Zephyrus, this is G14, where is it? No, Zephyrus G14 is very costly, dude. Zephyrus is very costly. Like, generally, Zephyrus is very costly. 4060, 4070. See, this is refurbished. Zephyrus G14 is very costly. Like, what? 5070, see, 5070. What is this? 3060. uh, 3080. See, this one. This one. This is what you're saying, right? Zephyrus G15. One like 90,000. This one. 3080 laptop. Let's put 3080 laptops. No, no, dude. I'll tell you something. 3080 now price is totally different compared to then price. Okay, now 3080 is kind of cheap because it's been like two generations late. Now 50 series is going on, and 30 series would be a bit cheaper, right? That's basic knowledge. But 30 series was the one of the costliest like GPUs ever. During that time I bought, and it was not good. Zephyrus. And I have a 2K monitor, I have a 165 hertz monitor, and I got so much more better things. Dude, I convinced my parents for 1.2 lakhs, okay? See, the thing is, 1 year 1.2 lakhs, another year 80,000. So how, like, think how it is. 1.2. I won't ask anything for a year, dude. They won't buy me anything. I'll just ask one big purchase to my parents, and that will be my computer back then. And later next year I got my GPU for 80,000. Okay, that's it. That's all I asked. Everything else other than this monitor, I got it from my pocket money, which I saved up for like months and months and months. Very hard, dude. But I still got it somehow. You don't have? No, I don't have a laptop. That's the problem, dude. If I have a laptop, no, I won't even sit in my home. I'll just get out somewhere and I'll code. I'll do some coding, outside my home. Um, Bro, what the hell? Yeah. Now you understand, right? They didn't buy me a laptop because I bought a computer. And laptop is a compulsory commodity, right? Yeah, but I didn't do it. There is no pricing here, man. You should have. Yeah, I should have gotten a laptop, but I couldn't get a laptop. What to do? Dude, I'm getting so much more in a desktop. So why would I compromise on a laptop? That's what I thought when I bought this, and I'm still not regretting my purchase. A lot of I know a lot of friends who have a laptop. They're suffering a lot to play games and all. Like I got a MacBook only because I wanted to get a dude. I want a MacBook ASAP, man. MacBook is really good for typing. MacBook is really good for coding, and MacBook is really good for battery life. Battery life is the only thing which I want from a laptop, and that's the best. I would easily say that's the best. But I can't buy buy a MacBook now because my parents won't buy me a fucking MacBook. But I will get a laptop soon because I have to get a laptop now for a lot of things. But my parents are saying get it from your own job, get money from your own job and do it yourself. DIY. MacBook now costs around your graphic card. Yeah, yeah, I know. But I'll get the latest one probably because I don't want to get the older ones to it. Because later ones are always better for long-term usage, no? If I get M1 MacBook now, okay, later in the years, I'm pretty sure it won't be as good as the new ones. I'll just put a few more thousand. Yeah, yeah, latest one. Yeah, I saw the price also actually. I think it's around 1 lakh. MacBook thing Air M4, no? Yeah, I think it's around 1 lakh. Yeah, see? But you know the funny thing, the funny dude, where's my chat box? Hello? What? The funny thing. Uh, a MacBook, it's around 1 lakh, and you know how much storage? 256 GB, dude. What the hell is this, dude? Who would buy a laptop with just 256? Dude, my phone has better storage than this. My phone also has 256 GB. But what is this, dude? Like, what the hell is this? I just can't, and I can't believe it, dude. You see, 1,10,000 is the price. I would no way get a 256 GB storage. Yeah, yeah, and you can see the price, no? It's 1,10,000. Yeah, it's costly. It's more than 1 lakh, and I can't get it from my parents' money. No way I can get it from my parents' money because they won't buy it. Pretty hard, man. Pretty hard. You feel me? If you feel my things, you feel what I feel. It's painful, dude. I already asked it, but they just can't do it. It's not like they don't want to. It's because they can't. What? Yeah, hello. Siddharth, I forgot to ask you. Are you working or in college? I think you never answered that question. No. What would you buy with your first salary, dude? Let me first get a job, man. Let me first get a job. I can't. What you're saying is kind of out of the scope here. Okay, I'm in college. Okay, okay. What you're asking is kind of out of scope. First, I have to get a job. After getting job, only everything, and I also have to pay my housing loan. My parents are asking money from my first salary, so I don't think there is a way that I could uh, use my money for myself. If they want all my money, how could I use it for myself? It's kind of complicated. Money is always the problem now when it comes to the decisions we make. Your final year, Siddharth, or third year, final year? What is it? Dude, yeah, it's not now, right? See, I bought it 3 years back. Okay, back when COVID was a thing, no? Back, not 3 years back. Yeah, 3 years back. Back when COVID was ending, like it was going to an end, no? Back then I bought this, and then it was not a problem back then. No, not rich, man. I was not. We are actually building a house now, so we are actually having a lot of loans, lot of stuff, right now. So we just can't like spend it on anything. We were not rich, but we were having money to, this is everything is loan right now. These things also were in loan back then, but back then we didn't have any other loan, so this is the only loan we had. Now we have a very big loan, so we can't afford anything right now. It's a basic classic middle class family, dude. Classic, no? Very classic. If you're poor, you don't have to worry about it. If you're rich, you don't have to worry about it. If you're poor, no, you won't even get these problems. And yeah. And if you're rich, you don't have to worry about money. And if you're poor also, you don't have to worry about the money, because you don't even want that stuff. You wouldn't even need that stuff, because you would think, why do you actually want this? You would just damn, bro, study. Yeah, dude, I have to study. Thank you, man. You are always coming to my stream and, like, motivating me. What is this system stream, or I don't know what is this new things which are coming up? System messages. I don't know, man. This is the first time I'm seeing this. You Siddharth, what year are you studying? 2026 pass out or what? Like the motivation is right in front of you, which is your 2 point. Dude, I'm motivated only, dude. I'm not motivated. Okay, yeah, but the thing is, no, I started very late. I'm third year. Okay, that's good, dude. In third year, and you know this much, you must okay, you must get into Google. After 2 years, I'm gonna ask you where you are, and you should say you're in Google or somewhere better. I mean Google. I don't know. Kidding. What is your college? It's not about IIT, it's about your skills, I mean. System is YouTube, dude. YouTube. With your skills, I think I'm pretty sure you can go to better places, man. If I get in, I would get you a referral. Dude, if you get in, you're third year student, dude. I don't understand. You're third year student, you have like 1.5 year more to get in. Sorry, 1 year more to get in. So I have a problem. You don't have a problem right now. So just chill. Okay? If you get in, yeah, okay, that's true. But I shouldn't be sitting in home without a job now. I'll get better, definitely. System, who are you? Try TCS. Yeah, I've applied to TCS, and I also got to the final round also in TCS. I cleared everything, but I didn't get any offer letters till now. No one got any offer letter because TCS is very slow company, dude. It's very slow. I already did it, but I couldn't crack to the go to the higher packages. I just could go to the 4 LPA because I didn't clear the coding. Classic now. I couldn't clear the coding, so I couldn't get the higher packages. But still, I didn't get the offer letter. But TCS is very slow with offer letters and call letters. What are the interview experience and rounds? TCS is like TCS we have an exam. Okay, it's called TCS NQT. There is no online test. Everything is off. I mean, it's like what to say. It's called proctored online test. So basically, you won't be sitting in your home. You'll be sitting in their own center. You'll be going there, sitting there, and you'll be writing the exam when you're you're being proctored. So you'll be writing aptitude, and there is aptitude. In aptitude, there are like 3 or 4 sections. You just check the details. I don't know. There are 4 sections, which is like basic aptitude, advanced aptitude, and English, and those things, comprehension. And the last two questions will be the coding questions. Will be one lead code easy and one lead code medium. That's what I heard. So one lead code easy and one lead code medium. The easy question was actually easy for me, but I couldn't solve it because of the given question itself. The question I understood very clearly, but the output test case was actually wrong. I know for a fact it was wrong. I checked it like a million times before going to the next question. I couldn't I couldn't solve that question because whatever I do, no, I couldn't get the test cases passed. Okay, so I couldn't even do it. So I just skipped the question. And next question was a medium question, which was which is like this only. Like uh, you are doing this now. The account islands. This one. The dude, it's very easy, dude. Okay, it's trust me, it's like the easiest company to get into. But the thing is, no, they won't hire you very fast. Their hiring process is very slow because you know what they'll do, they'll actually they'll go through this interview rounds, everything. They will keep you in like shortlisted. You're a person who's shortlisted in their company. But you know what they'll do, they will wait for people to leave the company, and once they leave the company, then only they'll give you offer letter to come in. So that's very bad. In my opinion, that is very bad. But that's good for them because they won't have to wait, and they won't have to spend specific resources. I got chance in 34 LPA phone pay company. Dude, what the hell, man? Why would you do, why would you miss it? I mean, I got a chance in HCL and I missed it. But 24 LPA is like too much, man. Why you shouldn't miss it. But yeah, I think I you got your reasons for that. It's okay, man. It's okay. chill, man. It's okay. Yeah, I have to get better, dude. Like, what college are you studying? You said kidding for your IIT Bombay CSE. What are you? What college are you studying right now? SPIT. Spit College. What is this? Mumbai. Sardar Patel. Okay, that's good, man. That's good. That's good, dude. Say no to ragging. My future is a big question mark. This is for me, actually. Good, dude. Dude, you just get a awesome job, dude. Second bitch. Oh, nice, dude. That is awesome. The first is IIT. I think so. I think I should have joined a better college. I'm not gonna lie, but right now I can't. IIT, then VJ. Oh, VJT. Okay, okay, okay. VJIT. Okay, man. Uh, to get a job, man. ASAP. ASAP. To try my level best, dude. Every day from tomorrow, I think. Yeah, I'll try to do for 6 hours. Okay, I'll study for 6 hours from morning to as soon as I wake up. I'll start doing, as you said. I won't stream while coding, but after coding, I'll stream and I'll try to explain all the code once again. Okay. Uh, yeah, I think today I woke up late, so that's a problem. So tomorrow I'll be waking up early. Okay, and yeah, guys, I think I'll wake up early in the morning tomorrow and I'll do this. But I did consistently before. That's why I know this much, dude. That's the main thing, no? Consistency is the key to growth. The only thing which I'm missing in my life is consistency. I'm never consistent in anything, so that's the problem. But I'll do it. I'll try my level best. Okay, Siddharth, thank you so much, dude. Uh, I'll meet you tomorrow. I think you'll be there. I'm pretty sure you'll be there. Even I am consistent, dude. You are consistent. Okay, I'm not consistent. I mean, okay, I'm not consistent. You're consistent in this, so that is great thing. That's a very great thing. So congrats for the 64 subs. Yeah, thank you, bro. I'll come to Discord, bro. Wait, in few minutes. Forgot. Okay, okay, got it. But you are consistent. See this. You do this and you're saying you're not consistent, dude. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? You are consistent. I'll also try to be consistent. Okay, like you. Wait. Okay, yeah, tell me. What is it? You wanna get in touch with Discord? Do you have Discord? What is this? User 08. This is a lead code. Damn. Dude, I think I'm gonna faint. What the hell is this, bro? 2024, 2023. Okay, 2023. Yeah, okay. He started 2023. I can see that. New Year's resolution. 2022 also you've done something. Okay. Damn. Crazy, dude. Crazy, crazy. This is crazy, actually. And what happened? Like recently, something, he left recently. All these days, perfect, but now something happened to him. I don't know. And he did 100 hard questions, dude. That's great. Actually, great. Oh, he got a job. That's good, man. Even I have a friend. I'll show you. Wait. He got awards and all. He got placed in Zoho. See, cap of consistency. See, this guy. Wait. This is my friend. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. 2023. See here. He started. 2024. See. 2020 current. See. It's 1,157 problems. And he got all the stuff from lead code also. See, like the cap, the hat, and the bag. I think he also completed. He also wins a lot of hackathons. He wins almost every thing he goes to. See, he got placed in Soho. Yeah, dude. Yeah, yeah. That's right. He is my school friend actually. He studied with me in school. And see where he is and see where I am. Damn, it's very painful, dude. Stressful actually. How much LP I don't know. I didn't ask him that. We are not that close now, but yeah, I'm pretty sure he's earning a lot. Damn, I don't want to see this, bro. I'm getting demotivated. You see, see this hacker rank, code chef. I think code chef, no? So stop comparing. Maybe life has something. Nice, bro. I wish I can think like that, but university rank one. Yeah, code chef. You have to, don't wish. No, I wish means I wish I do it consistently. I have to do it. I have to. Ah, yes. Focus. Focus, bro. Focus. See the streaks, man. Like, damn. It's too much. Projects. His code flows is. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think it's a newbie. I think he has not done a lot. See, last visited 4 months ago. So maybe he was starting out in code forces and he didn't continue in code forces maybe. Whatever, man. Okay, whatever. Let me do it. I want to be great. To be honest, try to build projects instead of grinding lead code. Dude, bro, everyone is saying different things. Some people are saying do lead code, that is better. You'll get a lot of easily you'll get jobs. And some people are saying build projects. How many things I can do? Everything. Connect with me on LinkedIn. Yeah, tell me on LinkedIn. I'll connect. Bro, my sister is like do lead code. You'll get better jobs if you do lead code only. If you do projects, they won't even they won't care that much. This one, Sardar Patel. Um, you okay, okay, got it. I'll do it. No, no, no. That to-do list was really good, dude. Like, it was very clean. I know it had a lot of potential to be a good project. That's why I did it. To-do list. There are like versions of to-do list. No, there's a bad to-do list. That's like decent to-do list. I did internship in TCS. Damn, bro, it's good. Put your things over here, dude. Oh yeah, cybersecurity. Okay, I started that to-do list. Bro, which can help you understand how to. Yeah, that's true. Dude, you just gain 8 subs by the system. I don't know what the system was, who the system is. Yeah, dude. Damn, you look very young, bro. I think but you are young. Yeah. Okay, just text me in LinkedIn if you. Even I'm not consistent. Dude, you're better than me, no? That's a good thing. Yeah, dude. Full lock in from tomorrow. Ah, I'm with you. I'm with you on this, dude. I'm with you. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. I'll be studying. Okay. I'll try to stream only 1 hour. In that 1 hour, I'll try to sum up all the things I've done in those in the time which I have not been streaming on. Okay. And that will be much better because we'll be having a conclusion every day about what we studied, what or not we did. Yeah, yeah. That's no issue. That's no issue. This is my agenda. Okay. So every day I study for like 5 hours or 6 hours, and at the last hour at the end after I studied, I try to stream and I'll try to say everything I've done in that day. It's like a documentation of what I did that day. That'll be much better. Yeah, that'll be really good. Yeah, yeah, dude. I think I'll stop it now. Okay. I'll try not to prolong my streams and my study hours for more than 6 o'clock because I won't be productive after 6. I think so. Okay. Yeah, yeah, dude. Yeah. I'll see you then. Yeah, you can text me in LinkedIn, dude. No problem. You don't have to join my stream. You have been joining my stream like the most constant you're the most constant watcher, I mean viewer in my stream. So that's a great. Yeah, yeah, dude. See you. Take care, dude. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see later. Okay. I'll trim my beard also. Okay, bye, dude. Yeah, bye, bye, bye. Python. What is that, Python? Yeah, biting Python. Yeah, bye, bye. See you. Dude, whose stream ended? Like, who's this? Who's this system, dude? I don't understand. I didn't even end the stream. Damn, dude. I don't know who is this. Okay, fine. Bye bye. System, who are you? Okay, okay, fine, dude. Let's see tomorrow, okay? I'm leaving. You don't chat now. Bye. Bye bye.